Welcome to one more stock market analysis session by Pathfinders. Election results are on 23rd of May, and as expected, the market is in the profit booking mode. Nobody wants to take the risk, and it's a very volatile market. It is going up, it is going down, and you need a very high level of skill to handle this kind of a market. In the last 1-2 months, I'm mostly using option strategies to handle the market, whether it is going up or going down. Yesterday, I booked about 22,000 rupees of profit, and today, I've booked about 33,000 rupees of profit. And there are some of my strategies that will go till the next 2-3 days. I booked about 42,000 is the profit I've booked today, but I was carrying a small loss from yesterday, and that has been covered. And 33,000 is the profit that I have. The strategies are designed in such a way that if the market goes against me, the losses would be less. But if the market goes in my favor, I can have a large amount of profit into it, and I can time the market properly, keeping my risk in control. So that's a strategy worth learning because you can make money from both sides of the market. Let's look at the technical charts of the index. So that was on a trading room. This is the chart I was talking just a few hours ago. And let's see how this market reacted. This is when the market tried to take a breakout with a PE of about 29.5, which is highly unsustainable, almost impossible to sustain, and that's exactly what happened. People perceived the market as very expensive, started selling. Sell-off is continuing now for more than 10 days. And today, if you see, it is a long-range candle that we are seeing. On the way up, the two places where the market left gaps, one was this gap, towards which it is coming slowly down at 10,985. And this was another gap, which it has already filled a day before yesterday. Yesterday, it tried to move up, failed with a wick setting pressure on the top. And today, it is already trying to break this level on the downward side. And how many days left? Today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 5 more trading days left. So this is definitely a likely level that you can look at if the profit booking continues. If I put here the Fibonacci levels, let's put this ratio. So the golden Fibonacci is also somewhere around 11,670. So if the profit booking continues, maybe about 200 more points down of profit booking before the election results are announced. So this is the index. If I look at the Bank Nifty had a breakout. This was the breakout of Bank Nifty. This was more stronger than the index, but it became very, very expensive. In fact, at this point, it was having a PE of about 64, which is unheard of. So I expect that the correction in the Bank Nifty would be more violent, and this is where the breakout happened. And if it moves below this, which looks likely, it can consolidate back at a level of 27,000, where the move started on the upside. So profit booking continues in Bank Nifty also, and watch out for this level. It might stop at this level, bounce a little, because eventually it seems to be moving down. And what I see is, no matter what government comes into power, profit booking is bound to happen. Indian economy on a shaky ground. The rate of GDP has been revised from 7.2 to 7%, and the economic data doesn't look very good. This results of the companies that have come, they are not great, except one or two. the results are very, very disappointing, and looks like that the 10 crore middle class Indians who were sustaining, they're finally tired of buying and participating into rallies, and that's why this rally is now fizzling out. So be careful. Uh, I am sitting on cash before election results. I would prefer to have all my money on cash so that I can take an informed decision after it. Another announcement, guys, is that on every election day, I live trade. On every election day, I live trade for the whole day from 9 in the morning till 3:30. And this opportunity comes only once in 5 years. So if you want to trade with me, you can do so by joining the Pathfinders course. And this Saturday, a course is starting. You can go on my website here. This is the website, pathfinderstrainings.com, where you can go on the course, book it, and the moment you have paid for the course, booked it, you get a chance to live trade with me on the election day, which is a once in a 5-year opportunity. If you want to do that, this is the number that you can see on the website, 9022333009. It is also available down on in the description. Go ahead and do it and start learning the market. This next 1 or 2 months will also give you good opportunity to start building your portfolio, especially of the small cap and the mid cap stocks, in which a sizable correction has already happened and many of them are ready to be picked. And after the election results, I would be starting the portfolio building process also. So before I close, let's look at the market. As now I have to see here, do I want to take all of till tomorrow? And yes, this is some option strategies that I have designed every day. I'm designing some strategies, booking profit, carrying some more to the next day, and I'll continue to do that for the next 5 days. Already booked about 33,000 rupees of profit, and I've utilized a capital of about 5 lakh rupees. So the biggies, before I close, let's look at the biggies. How are they doing? Reliance is also moving down. If you see, this is Reliance, and Reliance from the high is selling off, and if the sell-off continues, 12,000 is the nearby level, and if it breaks, this is where this rally started at 1,028. I'm not expecting 1,028 before the election results, but 1,200 is definitely on the cards. Then HDFC came with very good results, guys, day before yesterday. So it is a good stock to buy on dips. Fundamentals are very attractive. HDFC Bank has also come up with good results, and this is another stock I would prefer to buy on dips. SBI is very expensive. Results are not great, and I would not touch it. And whenever a profit booking comes, I would plan to take it. Today I made some money with this bank and Yes Bank. TCS is on the expensive side. The brand value holding it, but a fair valuation would be about 1,800 rupees. I'll wait for it to come till 1,800 rupees. Infosys is a strong stock, and it is correcting but not very deep. ITC is strong. Axis Bank, I would be maybe around this level. 661 could be a good level for Axis Bank. Kotak Bank, all banks are a little expensive, so trade them with caution. Larsen & Toubro also came with good results, even though after that also it is correcting. People still perceiving it as expensive. And the volatility in the market is peaking now. You can see here, it has already gone from 15 to about 28. And last election results, before it came, the volatility peaked to about 40% almost. So take care, guys. Market about to finish in about 30 seconds. Tomorrow is expiry, and it would be the last expiry of Nifty Bank Nifty options just before the election results. So tomorrow might be a very volatile day, and the profit booking in the market is continuing. This was the market. It was very sideways almost for the whole day, and now it has started correcting on the downside, guys. So this is where it is finishing. I invite all of you to come and do some live trading with me on the election day, and you can go on this link here where you'll find all my courses. You can contact the numbers given below, and they will help you. Wishing you all the best. Take care, and I'll see you again into one more market analysis session.